What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with another video. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas with your fam or your friends or with your bae. I definitely did. I went to Texas and visited family. I had a pretty good old jolly time. But today I am gonna give you guys a what I got for Christmas haul. Say hi to my tree, isn't she cute? I put all these bells on it so I could just jingle the whole tree. It's a real tree. It's the first time I've ever had a real tree too. And it smells so good. Okay, you don't want to know about my tree. Okay, it's Christmas is already over, bitch. Okay, I am going to show you guys what I got, and this isn't like, I don't know, like bougie. There's no like Gucci or Louis Vuitton. There's no, it's just chill. Before I get started with that, I want to talk about Poshmark. So going into the new year, I am organizing and cleaning out a lot. So I'm putting a lot of my old clothes on my Poshmark page. So I'm gonna put my handle right here on screen, and I'm gonna also have a link in the description for you guys to click. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff I am selling on my Poshmark now. I'm adding like 10 things to my closet tonight, so all of my stuff is super cheap. And it's usually stuff that I've like worn and gotten a lot of compliments on. So first off, I am selling this shirt. Now, I ordered this as a t-shirt dress from Ragged Priest. I don't know if it's a velvet or it's just really soft material. It says over it, I know that Ragged Priest doesn't even sell this t-shirt dress anymore, but it is a cropped tee in this occasion because I did crop it. That funky delic look going up for sale. I'm also selling these skinny jeans that are like this like nice kind of mustard color, almost the color of my beanie, but more subtle. I'm also selling this cute little crop. I originally bought this so long ago from Forever 21, but I tie-dyed it myself. Selling this like really soft like around the house dress that has like this hoodie. I'm selling this cute cropped shirt that's like really soft and really stretchy, just super comfy, and it says mellow. I'm selling this striped sweater, this BB girl cropped tank just from Forever 21, so she'll be super cheap. I'm selling this really soft, really stretchy striped maxi dress, and this goes all the way down to my ankles and it has a slit, I think in the right side. Just two more things guys and then we'll get to presents. This really cute bodysuit that like crisscrosses in the back. Last thing, embroidered navy green button-down shirt. The sleeves are just like a 3/4 of the way length. And yeah, that's it for all of the new stuff that I'm adding tonight on my Poshmark account. I hit up my link in the description if you guys are interested. I'll be waiting for your sale. And I also encourage you guys to get rid of some things, get rid of some material things you don't need, and just kind of purge and I don't know, what new style do you want to have in the next year. This is a perfect time to get all of that figured out. So I'm going to ask you guys to leave your handle down in the comment section for everyone to see and go follow you and see what you have. And I'll check it out too. Alright, now let me just get started with presents. First off, I'm going to explain the presents that I'm wearing. So I got this mustard beanie from my sister Kendall, and so I was telling everyone pretty much like I just want like a mustard yellow beanie that is just like plain without any like fluff ball on it, and she pulled this out of her ass. No, I'm just kidding. She gifted this to me and I love it so much. It's nice and stretchy. She's cute. I know she ordered it off Amazon if anyone is wondering. So I'm also wearing these hoops that my mom got me from like a boutique. They're just simple gold hoops. Oh, these bracelets that I'm wearing, my oldest sister Ryan got me these. Abel got me this huge water bottle, which is really nice actually, and it's also like a thermos. It keeps whatever you put in here like really hot or really cold, and I actually really needed a water bottle, and that's not something that I would have gone out and got for myself, so kudos to Babel. I got these socks from my mommy. I honestly I love receiving socks as a gift, especially if they have some kind of pattern or are just really cozy. I love me some long socks, especially in the winter time. I got dried mangoes, y'all. Thanks, Mom. Love you. You know, this is what growing up with like a health nut family does to you, but honestly, they are really freaking good. Like, dried mangoes are like another world of candy thing. I got this really nice patchouli and rosemary soap from Abel's family, which is so sweet. I love soap any day, anytime, any year. Abel got me these, like, so since me and Abel have been going to the gym together every day, I have been looking around the gym for these resistance bands that are also really good for like home workouts or just like any glute workout really. Like a resistant band will do you wonders. So he actually got me my own set of resistance bands to work out with. They all have their own little levels. So this is light, this is medium, and then the green one is the heaviest. And then it comes with this little like booklet of like little workouts. Hell yeah. That's also a really good gift. Thanks, babe. Well, I told him I needed more like workout clothes, and he got me this like sports bra that was way too big. So I like went and returned that today at Target. He also got me this candle, which was really sweet. Yeah, 100% soy wax. My sister got me this roasted chestnut candle. It smells like Christmas, honestly. Half of it is already gone. Kendall also got me, you guys, this was like my favorite thing actually to receive. My sister got me this awesome workout outfit. Bam, there's the top and then the matching bottoms. And I have honestly just needed like a workout outfit set like this for so long. I feel like it's good when you get into working out to like collect cool workout clothes, because then that makes you feel more willing to go out because you feel like you look hot while you're doing it. Feeling blessed, y'all. Feeling blessed. Okay, and then these badass like joggers. These are actually just like an early present from Abel. On Cyber Monday, he ordered these for himself from PacSun, but they came in and they're just way too small for him. So he gave them to me, and they're just like really dope pants, and I've actually worn them quite a lot, and they're like waterproof kind of. I don't know, they're awesome. And then my mom got me this most amazing coat. It can also be used as a blanket, I think. So it's a hooded coat, and it's just like amazing. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, just look at it. You guys can tell how soft it is just by looking at it. You guys will probably see me styling this in some outfit videos or something. This is from a boutique, but tag says hem and thread. My mom also got me this really sweet knit sweater, and this is the brand Lush. Yeah, it's just like a really darling white sweater. The sleeves are like really big. She cute. Oh, my dad is like the Apple whiz in our family, and he basically always gets us Apple things for like a birthday or Christmas. This year he got me like 3 different Apple Watch bands. I just have like the pinkish watch band that comes with the rose gold one. Now I have the white, the blue, and the black, so thanks, Roy. Okay, and then the last few products coming up here. Kendall got me this really sweet rollerball perfume, and the brand is Good Chemistry, and this is in the scent Wild Child. And I think it's coconut and like bergamot. It's pretty strong. I've never worn a scent like this, but you know, I can dig it. This is a really cool color changing portable speaker that Abel's family gifted me, and I am so excited to start using this baby. This will just be really awesome to take out camping. 7 hours of wireless audio playback. Heck yeah. And then I also got this pack of beauty blenders, and you guys, I actually love this beauty blender from Sonia Kashuk. I don't know if this is only sold at Target, but I know this brand is sold at Target. That's the only place I've like seen it in store, but check this out. Dude, look at this beauty blender. It came in a set of 2, and I've been using the other one. I wash it every time before I'm gonna use it again, and the foundation the day before just comes off immediately, and it also gets so big whenever you get it damp, so you can just do your makeup way faster. So A+ on these beauty blenders. Then the last thing, and I actually just received this in the mail from this brand. I still consider it like a gift, you know. It is a set of all of the Ciate Glitter Storm lipsticks. They actually look really pretty. Ooh, wait, look at this, you guys. That's really pretty. It like matches my eyes so well. Alright, I actually also got an amazing NutriBullet. I bought it for Abel, and I got like the whole set that comes with like all these cups and everything. Yeah, that's like also the best Christmas present to myself. So alright, well, I haven't eaten dinner yet and I'm freaking starving, so I'm gonna go do that. But I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to go check out my Poshmark account. Don't forget to leave your Poshmark handle as well in the comments. Subscribe if you're interested in becoming a part of this amazing family that is the Hannah Blair channel. I have to come up with a name for y'all. What do y'all think? I don't know. I want to though. I need to make merch. one day. Anyways, like this video if y'all enjoyed it. Check out my Instagram account if you guys haven't, because I need more followers. Thanks. But yeah, with all that being said, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.